Modalyst versus BigCommerce, which offers better e-commerce features for entrepreneurs. Let's get straight to the point. If you're an entrepreneur trying to figure out which platform suits your e-commerce goals best, you've probably come across Modalyst and BigCommerce. Both offer promising features, but which one gives you the best tools for scaling your business? Stick around till the end, and I'll reveal the surprising alternative that might just be the game changer you're looking for. Next thing, let's start with Modalyst, which is known for its dropshipping capabilities. If you're looking to start an e-commerce store without managing inventory or handling shipments, Modalyst makes it simple. With their vast supplier network, you can easily find products to sell, and they handle all the heavy lifting, including order fulfillment. Sounds good, right? But here's the catch. While it's super convenient, it does come with fees on sales, which could cut into your profit margin, especially as you scale. Next up, let's talk about BigCommerce. This platform has a robust feature set, which is especially great if you're building a larger e-commerce store. BigCommerce is known for being highly customizable and scalable. Whether you're selling physical products, digital goods, or subscriptions, you've got plenty of options. But, and this is key, it's not always as intuitive as other platforms. For newcomers, navigating through all of its features might feel a bit overwhelming. And while BigCommerce offers more flexibility with integrations and customizability, the learning curve is definitely steeper. The fourth thing to consider is pricing. Modalyst offers a free plan, which is tempting, especially for newcomers. But the free version limits your product selection, and if you want access to the full range of suppliers, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan. BigCommerce, on the other hand, doesn't have a free version, but the monthly fee gets you access to a lot of advanced features, including unlimited staff accounts and a built-in payment gateway, which makes it a good choice for entrepreneurs who want more control over their store. Now, let's dive into support. Modalyst offers solid customer support, but with its relatively simple setup, you might not need it often. BigCommerce, however, has 24/7 support and a vast knowledge base, which is great if you run into issues down the line. Still, support doesn't necessarily make up for the steep learning curve I mentioned earlier. The next thing to discuss is integration options. If you plan to expand your e-commerce business across multiple channels, BigCommerce might be a better option. It integrates well with marketplaces like Amazon, eBay, and Walmart, giving you that multi-channel exposure. Modalyst, however, is more geared towards working with Shopify, which is great if that's your preferred platform, but if you're using something else, you may face limitations. Lastly, let's talk about automation. Modalyst gives you an edge in terms of automation for dropshipping, automating inventory management and syncing orders without much effort. BigCommerce, on the other hand, has more advanced tools for automating things like tax calculations and shipping options, but it requires more time to set up and maintain. So, what's the bottom line? Modalyst is perfect for beginners or anyone focusing solely on dropshipping. Its simplicity and dropshipping automation make it attractive, but as you scale, you'll start to feel limited by its fees and product restrictions. BigCommerce is more suitable for growing businesses and entrepreneurs who need scalability, customization, and multi-channel selling, but the learning curve is definitely a factor. That said, all of the platforms mentioned are good in their own right. However, after trying all of them myself, I can confidently recommend a better alternative for anyone serious about building a successful e-commerce business. If you want to see for yourself, check out the first link in the description for an exclusive free trial with benefits that are only available through our link.